Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a slightly different video for you guys, and I wanted to show you guys customizations for add-ons for Fabfitfun. This is for the Fabfitfun Fall 2022 box. The add-ons are now open for annual access only. At the bottom of that page, there's kind of like a timeline for important dates for annuals and seasonal members. So add-ons occur before customization. You shop the sale, there's no checkout required, and you automatically get billed for what you put in your cart. So today we're going to tackle the bundles, the skincare, and the beauty section of the add-ons. The Summer in Rose boho bundle kind of got my attention. It comes with a rug, a basket, and a decorative base, and I thought that was a nice bundle to have. The other bundle that caught my attention is the Desert Chic bundle, which contains a backpack, sunglasses, and a cute hat. So I thought this would be perfect for summer. Not a lot of items caught my attention under the bundle section, but I kind of wish the Spongel set wasn't all sold out. So I'm hoping that by the time the seasonal members get to do their add-ons, that they would replenish their inventory so that they can have an even shot at the items that are out there. Next up, let's take a look at the beauty section. Let's see. The Living Proof Full Dry Volume and Texture Spray kind of got my attention. Anything that's volumizing, and especially from Living Proof, I highly recommend. But sadly, it's out of stock. The London Town Glass Nail File, guys, I always repurchase this every season. Highly recommend it. And of course, Fabfitfun is never short on Spongels, but they did something new this month where there's only a max of one item per person, which is insane because we love to stock up on Spongel items. So I should say you're allowed to get one item per type of scent. So you can potentially get several Spongel boxes, but just different scents. I didn't know Glamnetic was present in Fabfitfun, so it's nice to see that. I love Glamnetic. I did a collab with them before, and their very expensive magnetic liner felt pen is on sale. So I would definitely get that if you currently use false lashes from Glamnetics. Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa Bronzer. This looks beautiful. I've always enjoyed the quality of product from Beauty Bakery. I love this brand, such fun packaging, and I feel like I want to get this. And for $8 or $9, coming from $38 original price, I think that's a great deal. This one is new to me, the Spongel Hand and Body Lotion. It has the scent of freesia pear, and I've always enjoyed the pear scent, so hopefully I will like this one. always tempted to get the Sigma beauty brushes. This one is a concealer brush, so if you guys need it, Sigma is a good brand. The INH Super Shine Serum, I highly recommend. I love it for my frizzy hair during the winter time. You guys should put this in your cart right now. Lots of great brands for hair products, blow dryers, curling iron, flat irons. Man, I can't imagine spending $150 on a curling iron though. So at least this one with the Fabfitfun discount, it makes it a good deal. There's quite a few items that are already out of stock. It'll be interesting to see if these restock up again after a couple of days. Next up is skincare. We're gonna break it down by type. So let's start with the cleansers. And the search for Fabfitfun isn't that great, but at least we can categorize it by skincare type. What caught my eye here is the Rhodial Beauty. It's a great brand and I always wanted to try their cleansers, and it's pink packaging, so why not? But look at that, even with the sale it's still $24, so I'll have to think about this one. Next up, face mask. So I always enjoy using face mask over charcoal mask, so I might try getting the Fortify Hydrating Moisturizing Face Mask. Let me know guys if you've tried this brand before, because this is new to me. And of course, the collagen masks are all sold out. The collagen from Karuna and PMD, those are both great brands. Highly recommend them. Next up, serums. So what caught my attention is this Korres Wild Rose full-size set. So a set of 3 full-size items, I'm assuming, from Korres. First off, it's an amazing deal. It's now $20 when it's normally $132 MSRP. 85% off according to this box, so I had to. And again, it's just 1 item per person, so you can't order more than that. Two great brands here, Kate Somerville eye cream and the Skin & Co eye cream, both great brands. I've only tried the Skin & Co and I love that eye cream. If you're in the market for a facial steamer or you want to do a at-home spa routine, I think having a steamer is a good one at home, and it's not too bad, $35. There's a lot of Honest Beauty items that are now out of stock. I would have wanted to try those. Under moisturizers, there's not a lot of choices, but Honest Beauty I think would be a good one to try. And finally, under tools for skincare, there's quite a few choices. I am intrigued by the Danielle Creations Pore Cleansing Suction Tool. Anything that's suction and pore refining, I'm in. By the way, I had to mention this, the PMD Beauty Clean Mini Facial. So this is a cleansing tool and I'm surprised that it's selling for $42. I think they were cheaper during the add-on sale a couple of seasons ago. I hadn't realized that I included the fashion section here, so I'm gonna do less talking and just show you what's out here. But my advice is, if it's Coach or Kate Spade, get it, you won't be disappointed. Oh, also the Tom's and Quay sunglasses are a good one. Looks like there's a lot of Sterling Forever items in this section. Let me know if you guys have tried that brand before. I personally haven't, but go ahead and let us know in the comments if this is a good brand or not, if you've tried them before. I wish Fabfitfun had like a wait list right now in case somebody lets go of this Summer and Rose Sequoia crossbody. I feel like it's an elevated style compared to the usual fanny pack. Super cute, and I love that it's white. Oh my gosh, I wish I could get this. So there's a lot of items that are sold out right now under fashion, but remember, they could still become available again as people decide what they want to finalize in their cart. So that is everything, guys. As you can see at the top right, I've got about 7 to 8 items in my cart. If you want to know what I got, definitely stay tuned for the Fabfitfun unboxing for fall.